everybody, welcome to Feast and Farm Cooks. My name is Rachel Ballard, and this is the channel where I teach you how to use food as a tool so that you can live, love, do more of what brings you joy, and feel healthier. Today we're talking about easy fast dinners, and this is one of my favorites with this Tuscan white bean skillet. I don't know why we always think everything has to be a Pinterest-worthy, beautiful, complicated recipe. This is actually one we eat a couple of times a month, and it's really easy to customize. You could throw in some pasta if you wanted to. We don't need any pasta, so it's really simple to make any way you want. So to get started, you're gonna need your largest skillet. I'm using a made-in stainless steel skillet here, but cast iron will also work for this. So go ahead and add about a tablespoon of avocado oil, and then you're gonna put in 3 large boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I always prefer that you use pastured if you can get your hands on that. And if chicken breasts are too expensive right now, just go with boneless, skinless thighs. Those are absolutely fine. And you're gonna give them a really quick sear. So you want your skillet up pretty high, medium high or so, and get a nice brown crust on that chicken. And then transfer it to a plate. Into the same pan, let's cook our mushrooms. So add about 12 ounces of sliced, I'm using baby portobello mushrooms here, and let those cook down until their water releases. That takes about 5 minutes or so, and sprinkle them with a little bit of salt after the water comes out. Then transfer them to the pan or to the bowl with your chicken. Next, we're gonna add, again, another little bit of that avocado oil, just a drizzle, and put in a whole diced onion and 3 cloves of garlic. And we're gonna saute that together just for a couple of minutes until everything starts to soften down a little bit. Then we're gonna add 2 cans, or about 28 ounces of fire roasted diced tomatoes. I'm using an organic brand from your Glen here, but you can use whatever you like. It doesn't have to be organic. So, and just bring that to a nice bubble and get it kind of simmering along there. Then we're gonna add 1 can of rinsed and drained cannellini beans. So go ahead and put those in, and just make sure you stir gently. Fresh herbs here. So I'm using oregano and basil and a little bit of fresh parsley. But if you don't have fresh herbs, you can absolutely use dried ones. Just use about half as much. So go ahead and put those in, and then we're going to taste it for seasoning. We need to know if it needs some salt. So let's give it a taste and see how it is. And it does definitely need some salt. Then you're gonna add back your chicken and your mushrooms, and make sure to really press your chicken down under the level of the sauce so that they start to cook. Simmer that whole thing on low for about 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and you are ready to serve. Really simple and really easy. We love this one with some crusty bread on the side. My family likes sourdough if you're eating that. And if you're like me, you just leave the bread off and eat it straight up. This is actually a recipe from my brand new Wholesome Comfort Cookbook. Because you all know me for comfort food, I'm still continuing that trend, but I want to do it in a better way for your body. So you can check out that cookbook in the link in the description box, and make sure you pick yourself up a copy. If you're looking for more chicken recipes like this one that are really simple, check out this video right here for my easy chicken fajitas, and I'll see you there. Have a great day. Bye.